Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to toggle Fool Proof Fn Ctrl feature on this laptop. To do this, you'll have to power on your PC, and then once you power it on, start repeatedly pressing F2 key until you see the BIOS menu in front of you. Once you are in the BIOS menu, go to configuration settings, and in configuration settings select the value next to the Fool Proof Fn Ctrl option, and by switching the value from enabled to disabled, you can change this, how the way this feature works on your PC. To apply changes, press F10 and then press escape, press enter, or to discard changes, press escape and then select no. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.